Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Yesy. Welcome. So today's video is going to be a no foundation summer routine, I guess you can call it. I saw Amanda Ensing's video on her no foundation boy beats look, and when I saw it I was like, wait, I do that all the time. I didn't even know that it was like a thing. I do this either if I'm gonna go work out with like people and I don't want to look like super dead, or a day that I'm just chilling, hanging out with my friends, but I don't want to look super dead or just look a hot mess. I kind of put myself together a little bit, but in a way that it looks like I don't have any makeup on, but I really do, kind of thing. So it's kind of like a no makeup thing. I've been doing it lately to go to the beach or to hang by the pool or whatever it is. It's just basically like my natural like no makeup look without using foundation. So when I saw Amanda Ensing do it, I was like, wait, it's a thing, so I should film the way I do it. So basically the whole concept, I guess, that she was trying to say was that you emphasize like your flaws, your freckles and stuff like that. I usually just conceal whatever like blemish I have and enhance some features on my face, and that's it, call it a day. So I figured that I would show you guys exactly what I do for my no foundation summer makeup look. And I'm actually gonna go work out like around 7 later on tonight, so I figured this is what I'm gonna do on my face anyways, so I was like, let me just film it. So let's jump right into it before this video is like 5 hours long. You want to start off with a clean face, and then we're gonna moisturize. I'm using the Neutorgena Hydroboost water cream, my fave, you guys already know. So once your face is nice and moisturized, I'm going to take my concealer. This is the Mabaline FitMe in the shade 20 Sand. And I'm just going to cover up. This concealer is more or less the color of my face somewhat. I know that I'm a lot tanner, but my face is always lighter than my chest and body because I always put SPF on my face. And I'll get sun on my lower half, but not on my face. Whatever. My face is always lighter naturally. So I'm going to take this NYX foundation brush and just kind of like dab to blend everything out. You're going to see it. It's still going to kind of peek through. It's just the way the cookie crumbles. I have a dark spot and it's fine. We're going for a natural look anyways, so don't even worry about it. After I've done my concealer, I'm not going to do concealer anywhere else. I'm going to take my CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder. So you're going to dab wherever you put that concealer. And then I'm kind of just going to brush a little on the rest of my face to kind of like even out the situation. Now, I am not going to contour, I am not going to bronze, I'm not going to do anything like that, but I am going to take this stick duo. It's like a cream blush on one side and a cream highlight on the other. So I'm going to take my 2 fingers and I'm going to rub them in there and pat this on my cheeks and like over my nose, like if I got a sunburn. You can still see that I have like freckles and marks and all of that stuff. Just this blush gives like life back into the face, like some color. Since we're not contouring, we're not doing anything like that, the blush does bring back some color and makes your cheeks look nice and blushed and like a tad bit sunburned. So now we're gonna go on the other side to the highlight side and take our ring finger, and then we're just gonna dab it at the high points of the face just to give our skin some like nice dewy glow. And then I kind of want to rub it on my brow bone a little bit. As you can see, this is like super natural. Like it doesn't even look like we have makeup on. I kind of want to put a little bit more on the cheeks. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the brows. Now, there are some days that I don't fill in my brows at all. I just put some brow gel and go. But there's other days that I like to fill in some bald spots and stuff like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and fill in some bald spots. Nothing too crazy. This is actually a Winky Lux, I think. A Winky Lux brow pencil. And it's a really light taupey color. It's actually like a universal taupe. It doesn't make my eyebrows too dark or anything, so that's why I like it. And I'm pressing it with a very, very light hand. Super quick, super easy. And then I'm gonna take my clear brow gel. This is from the, oh, it's water resistant. I didn't know. Clear water resistant brow gel from the brand Brow Gal. You guys already know that. I love this brow gel. I use it in every makeup routine, every video. I love this stuff, and I got it in a box return like over a year ago, and it's still going strong. So now the next option would be mascara. For this look, I'm gonna go in with a waterproof mascara just because I'm gonna go work out and I'm gonna be sweaty and I don't want my mascara to run everywhere. But you can use regular mascara if you're gonna just go out or just hang out and not be around humidity and whatnot. But since I am in Miami and it's gonna be super humid outside, I'm gonna take this waterproof mascara. This is from the brand Wet n Wild. It's the Mega Length. And just coat my lashes ever so slightly. And then for the lips, I'm gonna take this Fresh Sugar Rose lip balm. It's a little bit tinted and I love this stuff. I'm literally almost out, but I love it because it gives my lips such a nice fresh tint, and it also has SPF, so it's really good. I used this lip balm in a video I filmed last year, which was my pool day summer look, which is very similar, but in that look I actually do use a liquid bronzer, I use liquid highlight, I do a little bit more than just concealer and no foundation, so that's why this video is a little bit different, and it's updated. It's a new summer, so that was last year, this is now. I am going to throw on some lip gloss. This is super optional. For lips, you can do whatever you want. You can leave it natural, you can leave it bare, whatever is your preference. I usually leave it like this, especially if I'm gonna go to the beach or if I'm gonna go just chill or whatever. But if I'm gonna hang out with friends and whatnot, I'll throw on some lip gloss sometimes. This lip gloss is the e.l.f. Plumping one, I think it is. The e.l.f. Plumping lip gloss in the shade Mocha. Twisted Mocha, actually. This lip gloss is very similar to the color of my lips. That's why I love it so much. And I feel like it has that like little tingling sensation. I don't really know if it really plumps up the lips, but it does feel like good and cooling, and I enjoy it and I really love this. And now for the last step, since we are going to be out in the sun and it is summer, so I'm not going to put any setting spray on my face at night. If I'm going just to chill with my friends, I might spray some Fix Plus, but since I am going to be going to the gym, or if you are going to be out in the sun, it is summer, I'm going to spray on this Rosewater setting spray from Ulta. It has SPF 50 and I love this stuff because it doesn't mess up your makeup and you can just spray it and it's just on the go. It claims to be mattifying, which is fine because we're already looking a bit dewy and whatnot, and if you are going to be out in the sun, it's hot and humid, especially in Florida, this is great for that. But I don't think that it like makes your face like dry or anything or super duper matte. It doesn't really do that. And it is water resistant for up to 80 minutes, UVA UVB protection, dermatologist tested. Shake it up. And this is it. This is the final look. Very natural. I literally look exactly like myself, just with like fresher skin and rosier lips. But yeah, that's basically it. Super easy, out the door, great for the gym, poolside, anything, like great for summer when you don't want to just cake up your face. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications because I know a lot of people aren't getting notified when I post a video. I know a couple of people have told me, so turn on your post notifications. If you are subscribed or if you're thinking of subscribing, turn on your post notifications. See you in my next video, guys. Bye. If I were a boy, I think I could understand. Time boy bye, boy bye. Did you guys like my confident necklace? It's in the bottle. I got her at her concert when I was like super pregnant. I love that it looks just so fresh faced.